already got the ball cover gasket on. Hey, one tip, when it's the first time you're doing it, this part stay in there because they dry and they stick to the ball cover. So what I did, I used a little propane torch to heat it up right here a little bit and then squeeze it out with the flat head. So let's put it back on. Okay, on this ones, let me get the bolt. Okay, on this ones, guys, we really don't need to torque them down because I mean, it probably is gonna be about 8 foot-pounds. So you really don't need to torque them down at all. Like, you can just go through to you can torque them down all the way. You can feel when they until they stop. Esto no necesitamos apretarlos, no tiene un torque exacto. Los puedes atornillar todos hasta donde ellos topen. I'm gonna torque them down. On this one, I got the settings to go with 1, 2, or 3, or just turn. But I'm gonna use 1, so you can start from the center and go to the side. You can go here either way, bring it down. Okay, so we got it right there. Just type them down with the back hand, like you can do 1 step, 2 steps, either way. Start from the center. And then goes to the side. So you don't bend the ball cover because it's plastic, so. Now you go back and then now you can squeeze them. See, they got to stop right there, so you can stop right there. You don't have to torque them down all the way. See, it stop right there. Puedes apretarlos. Ellos tienen un tope, no necesitas ponerle un torque specs ni nada, no necesitas torquearlo. Nomás detente ahí y ahí ya no puedes. Donde ellos se detengan, ahí ya no pasan. Eso no necesitas hacerle mucho. Ahí se detiene él. I already got that one out loose, so I'm just gonna get him out. They dirty because the ball cover gasket was bad too, so I'm gonna use an engine case. They already, the cap is already set on it, so yeah, I'm gonna use that. Same thing, I'm just gonna tie it a little bit. No lo voy a apretar completamente. Estas también tiene un tope, no necesitas apretarlas. Tienen una hasta ahí, no necesitas hacerlo mucho. You don't need to tie, make it tight in there. You just make it work, that you can feel it right away when it stops. Now we can put the coils back on. Ponemos las bobinas de regreso. Ya tengo hambre, ya me dio hambre. Hungry already, guys. So. Now we put the plugs back on. Vamos a ponerle sus conectores de regreso. Make sure they click. Vamos a ponerle sus conectores. Asegúrate que haga clic esta cosa para que sepas que está bien. Ok. Same thing right here. Okay. Now we just put the push in. There you go, right there. Okay, now we got that right there. We're gonna put the intake manifold back on. So it's gonna. My ear needs to dry it up a little bit. Blow air. No, I don't have that much. I haven't turned that compressor on anyway, so now we're gonna clean up this right here. Make sure there is no dirt in there. Okay, we're gonna slide that intake into it. I'll keep the bolts in there. I mean, I just keep it in there just to probably, it's up to you if you want to keep it in there or you just want to take them off and then put it back on. It's up to you, but it's going to be hard, I think. Now we just have to sit it right on it. Okay, we got that one. This one is still needed there. And the other one was on the floor. Okay, we got that right there. Now before you take this bolt all the way, don't forget to put the bolt back on the right here. So you got a little plate, little plate to move it. So you just tie it right there so you can put the other bolt back on. Get this one. there. Okay, so we're gonna tie the bolts down. Like right here, we're gonna, I mean, you don't have to just turn them. You will feel when they stop, and then so you don't have to torque them like specific torque specs on it. I mean, you have to, but if you don't have it right away, so you just can go ahead and tie them on. I already started with them, you know, so they're already tight, so I don't have to deal with them too much. No necesitas una especificación de apretado. Media vez los aprietes tú vas a sentir donde topan y hasta ahí los puedes dejar, no hay ningún problema. Now we're gonna put the vacuum hose back on. Just press in. Right there, and we're gonna bring the brake booster hose right here. Press back in there. You get the. Okay. I'm gonna bring the clamp back on. We got it on. The other one. This one right here. Okay, we got it on right there. Now, with let me put this back on. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the throw body back on. We just have to align them with the bolt holes right there where they go. Okay, you should go right there. Start, you know, get the bolts in there by hand. Okay, the other one too. The last one on the back. Alright, got it right there. And move this plug out of the way. Okay, let me get this thing here. Hold on, put the camera in here so we can work on it. Alright, let's see. Remember that there is an 8 we need to use on it. Okay. Get this in there. Slowly, and then I'm gonna do the bottom one. Okay, I'm gonna do the top one now, which is this one right here. I can't do it without too much. Okay, I got that one. I'm gonna use the long one for the back. Get through here. Okay, stop right there. The other one. Tight. Get the short one in here. Too tight. Okay, tight. Okay, now we can hook our plug back on. Let me move this out of the way. Now we just can put the plug back on. Got a small hose, vacuum hose back in there. Okay. Okay, we got that right there. And I'm gonna use this one right here. Just to bring it up. Ugh. Where's my other one then? I don't know where to set out the other one. Oh, it's right here. Let's see. Well, we got that down. We got the intake. We got the hoses back on. We got almost everything down. So last thing, it's gonna be this one right here. We're just going to squeeze this back in there. You know, just bring it down all the way down, and then bring it back to the housing. Bring it back to the throw body, and then with the 8. Tie back on with number 8. We turn this back on and slide it in there. Okay, so then bring the clamps down with the clamp. Échalo para abajo otra vez. Que lo empujas hacia abajo y ya queda. La housing. Ahora el filtro de aire. Got the air filter. Okay. Okay, we got the. Let me put this one in here. Okay, so this thing is just gonna slide back in there, okay? So we just go like that, squeeze it in there all the way, and then bring the clip back on. That is not missing, so you know, but we got new air filter in there. And now we're gonna put the mass airflow sensor connector back on, and I think we call down we're down already with it. So that's gonna be for now. I think, you know, we just have to make sure, you know, everything is right on place. I'm not gonna put the cover on, you know, because I'm gonna check everything is fine, no vacuum leaks, no stuff like that. So yeah, that's all. That's it, guys. I hope this short video help you a lot, you know, and then just leave a comment, have a question, say something about it, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see here. You know, I got a lot of options to, you know, to make videos. So let me know what car you want me to work on it, or what do you want to know. If you need any diagram or whatever, you know, we both learn at the same time. So yeah, don't forget comments, leave a thumbs up, down, whatever you like, share, please subscribe, you know, so you can see next video coming up. And thank you so much. See you next time. Nos vemos pronto. Compartan, suscríbanse si les gustó el contenido, que no les gusta, que les gustaría ver. Si necesitan un diagrama o necesitan alguna idea, los dos aprendemos, todos estamos aprendiendo. Y espero que les haya sido de beneficio el video, y nos vemos pronto. See you.